What's up, my good people? Welcome guys to the Seniors channel, and in today's video I'll be introducing you to something very new: how these crypto scammers normally approach people, that is on YouTube. So I happened to post a video, that is last week I posted a video on my channel, and there is something that I realized. I'll first of all show the video. The moment I posted that video, I saw there somebody sent a comment to that video, and on that video the comment was the person who commented on that video was actually a crypto scammer, and the video itself was talking about crypto scamming. Yet that person still went ahead and commented on that video. You can see this video. Actually, let me just open the link. You can see the comment was big thanks to Argue Vama for this effort in making what I have felt lost recovered. So what somebody will come and read this comment, and you see, wow, these are very positive comments. Then for example, you'll click onto this channel, so that you can be able to know more about you can click on his comments so that you can be able to know more about this person. And actually you can see this is actually the channel username, but actually you can see the channel name is connect at you can see this name that he left out here, that is on Instagram. Let's search this person on Instagram and be able to know some more details. First of all, something that I need to you need to take note that this is actually a crypto scammer. This is a scammer, and these accounts are fresh accounts. If, for example, you can check here, you can see this account was created on deck 22, and the time I'm creating this video, you can check here, it is deck 20. Actually, most of these accounts, crypto scammers channel accounts, they are normally terminated by YouTube. The moment they realize that you are sending spam comments, they will just terminate your account. So what they normally do, these accounts are actually normally very fresh. You can see, for example, this one was created on 22nd 2022, and by the time he was sending this comment, actually it was around on that. That's the time he sent these comments. So let me just copy this username and search it on Instagram. This is my Instagram account. So let's search this guy and see his profile. You can see actually even there is no image. He has not placed his image. Then you can look into details. You can see his bio. He says that he is an ethical hacker at Recycle Cointech, cyber security specialist, crypto system expert. Now, this clearly tells you that he is a crypto scammer. The moment you can see, for example, for you to be able to see his this account is private for you to see the photos and videos. So for you to be able to join, for you to be able to view the details of this account, you have first have to send a request. Then he will review your account and accept. So that's how it works. And the main reason why this account is private, because if in case the account is public and somebody comments something negative, actually most people will have to see it. But when the account is private and somebody sends a comment, they can be able to review and choose to delete or not to publish that message. So if you happen to inbox this guy, he'll actually trigger you by all means to send so that you can send him, and he is actually a crypto scammer. You can see this is a crypto scammer. I have already sent him a request because I want to see what he does, what he is doing, and what kind of business he is doing. So after he accepted my request, I'll observe what he does, and I'll see how he'll try to trigger me, and I'll use the details that I obtained from him to create some more details and do some more expose on how these crypto scammers normally operate. So you need to be very careful. If you find somebody has sent a very positive comment that is on somebody else's channel, not just my channel, but anybody who has done any video on any video about crypto, so you need to be very careful. Don't click that link, because that link will direct you to that is to their channel, then you can be able to reach them out. That is on their Instagram. And the moment you just inbox them onto on their that is the Instagram, you can easily get scammed in case you happen to fall to their trap. So you need to be very careful. That's all we have for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.